ADA. What is happening with Cardano's price? And what is next? That is the question that you guys might have, and that's what we're going to be discussing. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. At this point, guys, I've pretty much explained this in so many different updates. Again, if you are a regular viewer of mine, you know what I'm referring to, and that is about the news that is revolving around the crypto space today, which is, of course, due to the BTC spot ETF. We're getting very, very close. A lot of excitement. Bitcoin breaking towards new yearly highs. But if we're looking at ADA, it's up 8.2% on the daily time frame. But what exactly is next with Cardano? When is it going to break into the 78.6? I'm seeing your guys' comments, and as a content creator, I can tell you that there are people that are losing hope on Cardano, which is really, really strange to me. And those people are the ones that don't really understand the importance of patience. But again, at the end of the day, people do what they want. But that's what's happening right now. And something similar happened with Solana as well. When it was continuously getting rejected at that resistance, but then when it had a massive explosions, we started seeing a lot of people flooding in and saying, "Oh, when is Solana going to go back down to those levels?" And it's never happened. And that's what's Cardano reminding me of right now. So let's take a further look at Cardano, see what is happening with the price, and again, what are some targets that we could be aiming for as we do go further into the month of January. So if we're looking at the price of Cardano today, you guys can see it's currently sitting at 53 cents, up 8.5% as mentioned in USD comparative. It's also up 2.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap, on the other hand, is currently sitting at $18.7 billion with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at $640 million. So not bad at all. I know a lot of people don't understand that, but Cardano is holding really, really good. And yes, it's not breaking out of that resistance. I understand that, but this is where your patience really gets tested. But like I said, before I begin, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So now you guys might be a little confused at this point. You guys probably looking at the Bitcoin dominance index absolutely exploding still and thinking, why is the altcoin market picking up? If you guys watched my update over the past 2 days, I was talking that, if Bitcoin is able to break into a new yearly high, we will see altcoins, going up with BTC. There's no question about that. The reason as to why we were seeing altcoins going down over the past 2 days was because dominance was picking up. And why does dominance pick up? A lot of altcoin profit, altcoin money, altcoin positions were going into BTC. People were turning their positions into Bitcoin because, like I said, uncertainty remains still high. Surprisingly, it still remains still high. We're seeing the fee war going on, but people think we could see sell the news. So Bitcoin is an attractive option, as well as stable coins, and that was happening yesterday. But today, after some great developments coming out, Bitcoin breaking towards a new yearly high has caused the entire market to follow the Bitcoin momentum, and that is really, really nice to see. And that is pretty much causing, as you can see, everything at this point to be up right now. But what exactly is next for Cardano? That is probably the question that you have. So let's discuss that. Before I do that, let's take a look at BTC. So Bitcoin did go all the way up to $47,000, $47,200 to be exact, seeing a little bit of a minor retracement, as you can see this for yourself. But ADA, that is something you want to know about. So Cardano did exactly, yes, I mean it, Cardano did exactly what I spoke about in our previous Cardano update. If you want to confirm that, validate that, you can literally go watch the most recent update before this update that you're watching right now. And in that update, I mentioned, we could be seeing Cardano breaking below 246 cents once again. That is a key resistance if we were to lose, of course, the support at 50 cents. And as a matter of fact, we did see that happen, literally right on the neckline, exactly at that support. You can't make this up. Literally, you can't make this up. Let me actually draw a trend line for you guys so you can really understand as to what I'm referring. You can see this for yourself. Literally retested that support, and boom, we've picked up. And of course, we picked up due to the overall market, pumping up due to BTC. So let's say you had some buy orders placed around here. You're one of, Cardano big believers, and you wanted to dollar cost average in around that price point. You have seen a gain of literally 15% in a single day. So what is this showing us? It is showing us, levels of supports need to be paid more close attention to. And, levels of support usually are a good place to pick up more positions. If you want a dollar cost average in and you think there is an opportunity, key levels of supports could be retested, you could put a buy order in at that point, and maybe some people have gotten that buy order filled in around that price point, which is really, really nice to see. But what exactly is next for ADA though? Like, when is it going to break into this long-awaited, highly anticipated 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level? One thing I want you guys to note right now, what a lot of people might tend to forget is it's literally not even been a month since we hit a new yearly high. We pretty much hit a double top. And since then, we had seen a lot of things happen. We saw two big flush that occurred for BTC, and that is going to impact altcoins. And we know that has done that. But one thing I want you guys to be looking at right now is where we're back above. We're retesting, the key resistance coming up on our way. If I were to bring out the hourly time frame, I think you will be able to understand this better. So you can see this for yourself. We have some resistance, Cardano is facing right now. And if this resistance is able to break out, I think Cardano will reclaim back above 60 cents sooner than you think. And if I were to bring out that measuring tool for you guys, that's another additional 16% move. So far, I'm really impressed. Yes, I continue to say it. I'm really impressed the way, Cardano continuously holds. After having this huge rally. And speaking about, levels, let's continuously keep reminding ourselves from October 15th, 24 cents was the price for one ADA. Moving forward, even after a huge retracement, as some people call, which it's not a huge retracement, but even since then, it's up 116% since October. And, I love it. I love seeing this. Patience is very, very, very important. Let's not forget that. Watch what's going to happen. Mark my words. Once the price gets back into the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, we're going to see all of a sudden people talking mega bullish about ADA. All of a sudden ADA is going to be the best thing ever for people, and this just generally happens. If you truly believe in the vision, if you understand what Cardano is doing, if you understand the potential, and if you've done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, then patience is really, really important, and I cannot stress that enough. Let me know down below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Cardano trading at before we end off the month? And yeah, subscribe, share, and I will see you tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.